Data sufficiency, question 235. In the xy plane above is angle QPR right angle. Now here we are dealing with the data sufficiency in terms of a yes-no data sufficiency. While dealing with a yes-no data sufficiency, a statement is considered sufficient if it gives us a definite answer in terms of a definite yes or a definite no. And a statement is considered insufficient if it does not give us a definite answer. That is, it gives us a yes sometimes or a no sometimes, which amounts to a maybe. So evaluating the first statement individually, the first statement says points P and Q have the same x coordinate. So plotting on the xy plane, if P and Q have the same x coordinate, then points P and Q have to lie on the same straight line. So PQ has to be a straight line. The first statement doesn't give us any information about PR. So if points P and R share the same y coordinate, then PR will also be a straight line, making angle QPR 90, which answers the question with a yes. But since we haven't been given any information about PR, we just know that PQ share the same x coordinate, so they have to be a straight line. R can be any point on the xy plane. So in this case, QPR need not be equal to 90 degrees. So we get a no. So the first statement gives us a yes sometimes, a no sometimes. So the first statement is insufficient, and the three possible answer choices are B, C, and E. Now evaluating the second statement individually, points P and R have the same y coordinate. Now if points P and R have the same y coordinate, P and R have to lie on the same line, so PR is definitely a straight line. But the second statement doesn't give us any information about Q. So if points P and Q share the same x coordinate, then PQ will be a straight line and angle QPR will definitely be equal to 90, which gives us a yes to the main question. But since we have no information about Q, we just know that PR is a straight line because they share the same y coordinate. Q can be any point in the coordinate plane. Now in this case, angle QPR is not equal to 90, so we get a no. So the second statement also gives us a yes and a no. The second statement is insufficient. We can cancel out B. Now combining the two statements, the first statement tells us that P and Q have the same x coordinate. So we know for a fact that PQ is a straight line. The second statement tells us that P and R have the same y coordinate. So we know for a fact that PR is also a straight line. Since PQ and PR are both straight lines and intersect at P, we know angle QPR will always be equal to 90, which gives us one definite answer, yes, when we combine the two statements. So the answer here has to be Charlie.